Hey guys, Ezra here again with another do-it-yourself video. Today we'll be tackling a Lexus touchscreen repair in my GS350. The problem we're going to be looking at today involves the touchscreen. My touchscreen in my car stopped responding or partially was unresponsive, and I couldn't adjust my audio or adjust the air conditioning. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a conductive ink pen, a metric socket set and ratchet, prying tools that are preferably non-marring, and a razor blade. Okay, here we're going to go ahead and lift up the center console, and underneath the console there is two power connectors. These white connectors you'll need to remove in order to fully remove the plastic bit. Alright, we're going to go ahead and remove 4 bolts from the center console to remove the radio. As shown, there's one here on the driver's side. And here is the bolt on the passenger side. And below those bolts, there are another set of bolts, one on each side. Alright, we're going to have to wiggle the radio assembly out of the dashboard. Unfortunately, because I have only one hand to record the whole process, I have to use both my hands and wiggle the center console out. It's going to take some maneuvering, but eventually it'll pop out. Here with the console removed, you can see the connectors will have to take off. The black connector at the top and the 4 connectors at the bottom below it. And even further down, you're going to have to remove all those wiring harnesses attached to the tape deck area. With the console fully removed, we're going to have to remove these 5 Phillips screws on the side. And also on the other side of the console, there are the same screws. Then we'll also have to flip the plastic open, revealing the screen. Next, remove the 4 Phillips screwdrivers on both sides of the screen to release it. and we'll have to get to work on this part of the screen. Now you're going to have to use a X-Acto knife to scratch a little bit of the glass off to get the ink to penetrate. But once you put that in there, you can let it dry under a lamp, like so. Alright, and what to do next, you're going to have to reassemble everything the way you removed it. And number two, you're going to have to wait for the conductive ink to dry. I believe it takes 24 hours for it to fully set. Until then, you might experience some weird behavior with your touchscreen. Like the calibration will be off. But in my particular case, that resolved itself once I let it dry completely and it started working normally again. If it still doesn't work, you can try the process again, or I believe you can also send your screen in for repair. There are several merchants on eBay, for example, that will repair your screen for you, or send you a fixed one and keep your old one for them to repair. But good luck. Hopefully this solves the problem for you. It solved the problem for, in my particular case, and my screen works perfectly now. I want to thank you all for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks.